Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public IP address. A public IP address is like your network's unique street address on the internet, allowing other devices to find and communicate with it. Your Internet Service Provider, or ISP, usually assigns one to your router, which then shares it with all devices on your local network. Understanding this is key to managing your online presence effectively. Most commonly, your ISP automatically assigns a public IP address to your internet connection when you sign up for service. For cloud-based resources, you can easily allocate and manage elastic public IP addresses through your cloud provider's console. Businesses often opt for dedicated static public IP addresses to ensure consistent access to their servers and services. To allocate a public IP in a cloud environment, first navigate to the networking or virtual private cloud dashboard within your cloud provider's console. From there, you'll find an option to allocate a new public IP address. Once allocated, you can easily attach this IP to a virtual machine, a load balancer, or another network service, making it accessible from the internet. Public IP addresses can be dynamic, meaning they might change occasionally, or static, which remain constant. It's crucial to configure security groups or firewalls properly to control what traffic reaches your public IP, protecting your resources. Remember to release any public IP addresses you no longer need to prevent ongoing charges from your cloud provider.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.